Good morning, this is Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original Studios, and today I wanted to make a very quick card that you can go and make today. So currently we are in the Coffee Lovers blog hop for spring and summer, and I will put all the links down below. But this is our free digital download that we have available for you for this hop. So cute. Obviously everybody's kind of been watching the news, kind of watching what's going on. So this is the Johnny Deppuccino that you can create and craft with. It does come with 3 different sentiments, so you don't have to choose this one. But it does have a little bit of a Wonka-esque feel to it, which I thought was really fun. And I hope that you like it. You can go to JessicaLynnOriginal.com and you can download that right away. Again, there is no cost for it. So please head on over and pick him up, and then we are going to be doing a giveaway. So if you create with this adorable stamp, post it up on Instagram and use the hashtag of, well, the copy us, which is Jessica Lynn Original Studios. So the little @ symbol. That'll notify us that you've uploaded it, and then we can go ahead and we will draw for a winner at the end. So it ends next week, so be sure to head on out. Today is May 7th already. And so we're going to go ahead and color in this adorable coffee. I think this would actually be kind of a fun coffee cup, because I wonder, would you pop the little top hat off, and then you could drink from it, put it back down. It's kind of fun. I like it. I think it's like a nice concept piece of art too, right? So if you go ahead, create with it, and then you'll be entered in once you put that up on Instagram. Some of the things that we have at our website, I'll just kind of talk through. We do have digital stamps, so when you go and download this one, we have a ton out there. I actually opened up, I think we have 46 available. They're pretty affordable. They're $2 a piece. But the cool part is when you download them, you get them right away, and you don't have to wait. So you're going to be able to download and craft with any of our designs right away. The thing we do ask with digital stamps, as well as our regular photopolymers, is that we do have them all copyrighted, so we do own the art. And we just ask that you use it for your own personal use. Now, you can use it, like if you were going to go to a craft fair, make like 20 of these, that's fine. Just put on the back of it that the art was from Jessica Lynn Original. And that's totally fine. We just ask that you don't resell it or use it per, you know what I mean, try to do anything like that. Again, I do hand draw all of the art that you see on our website. I'm very proud of that. It's really exciting to be, an artist that can share and watch you guys create from the art that I make. So it's really fun. I love this process. We've been around for 17 years, which is absolutely crazy to me. I can't blink. But some of the other stuff that we also offer photopolymer stamps. We have tons of those. I've been working on new series. It's taken a little longer. I decided to take a little bit of me time this year, start of 2022, which I thought, very important. I've been working out, going on the treadmill. I've lost almost 40 pounds. So if you don't think you can do it, you can. If I can do it, you can do it. And now I am back to kind of designing again, working my way back in slowly, and kind of planning out the trajectory of my business. Where do I want to take it next? This year I was also available to work with some college students who actually did their huge capstone project, which is their final for their class and for graduating. And they were able to help me go through some of my social media, some of my designs, and kind of help me move forward with some ideas on what I want to do next. So it was really nice to have another opinion and another idea out there. I mean, I love owning a small business. I love growing a small business. I love, all of that. And sometimes it's so easy to see all the big ideas for everybody else, but to forget to look inward. And so it's been a very interesting start to this 2022 year. So this little guy, he is available. Please go and head out and download him. He is free, absolutely free. When you check out, basically it just has you create an account and set yourself up so that you would get any sale coupons or anything like that. And you can unflag that if you don't want those. But I would love to see what you create with this. And what a great way, to support the kind of things that are going on. It's kind of fun. So I'm going to go ahead and finish coloring him in, and then we will turn this cute little guy into a card. Just as a reminder, I love having you here. Thank you for watching. We're almost getting there. He's almost done. I love coloring the cards with the Copics. It's one of my favorite things to do. What I'm going to ask, though, there is a subscribe button down below. Please go ahead and click on that. It costs nothing. And what it does is it just notifies you if we upload a new video. And we also have two other options now. We have a join, and the join button truly means that we have a Jessica Lynn Original group. It's a fun team atmosphere. It helps support the channel, and then you get some extra perks, so you can take a look at that. The other thing that we have now been able to add is we have a thank you. So if you want to support the channel, you can go ahead and do that. You just click the support or the thank you, and the thank you will allow you to donate to the channel, and all the funds that we get from that we actually put back into getting more markers, art, and producing additional videos. So I do appreciate that. One of the things I love about my channel is that we're not just about the stamps. I'm about the art. I'm about the person who gets inspired and goes and creates the art. I'm why I'm inspired to make this art. So we go on a lot of adventures. So on our channel, you may have seen videos where we go to different locations. And why would I share that? Well, because it's what inspires me to be the artist that I am. So I like having that. And, you know, there are going to be videos where you're going to say, you know, I like watching the drawing ones, or I really like watching the Disney ones. And we appreciate that. You know, I feel like sometimes you get so stuck into one thing that some of these channels become so monotonous because it's just the same thing over and over again. So I really like to try and share different things. I don't know about you, but I am very creative and I like to do a lot of things. You know, I'm not just a card maker. You know, I love to sew. I love to paint. I love to do photography. So I love being able to share all of my different artistic mediums, which is why we changed the channel and why we changed my company to be Jessica Lynn Original Studio rather than just Jessica Lynn Original. Because Jessica Lynn Original it's all just about that one kind of specific art. The studio idea is truly about everything that encompasses my creative. So I hope that that makes sense. But I'm excited about it. I think it's, you know, I'm excited. I have a lot of fun stuff to share this year. So you can see right now all I did, and I printed out this digital image to be the size of the card. A lot of times when I make cards, I will probably take the same image or any image, and I'll actually go in and print off like a full 8x10 sheet for my kids. Because a lot of times when I'm crafting, they're hanging out with me going, what are we working on, you know? And so I'll print it off for them, and then we kind of have a challenge. Like, I'll color, you do your thing, and let's see how they all look at the end. And it's a lot of fun. I mean, it really is. And I do have, side note, if you're looking for any of these cards, a lot of times my samples that I create, I will put them up in the JessicaLynnOriginal.com store. So if you are thinking like, oh, you know, I really like, you know, this card, or I really like, we did a Wednesday card yesterday. So if you like those and you're like, oh, you know, I wonder if it's still available. Sometimes they are. And they are available for purchase, and it is truly the card. So, and you know, you get the card and you get an envelope too. But if you're interested, I don't sell all of them, but there are cards listed. So I would highly encourage you to take a look at that piece on our website. I'll link it down below as well, so you can take a look. So. Here's that Wednesday card that I was just talking about. I don't know, I think it turned out cute. I mean, what a fun, like if you like coffee and you want to just a goofy little card, I mean, I think this is too much fun, so. But I just want to take a moment and say thank you again for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Be sure to visit our full store at JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Costs nothing. Lets other people know that card makers like you enjoy our channel. And then don't forget to like and comment. Thank you again. Have a great day.